This customer is committed to driving growth that leads to better living. The customer drives growth through brands and experiences that bring people together, their dedication to brewing the best beer with the best ingredients, and their promise to helping farmers, retailers, entrepreneurs, and communities grow. This customer receives over 10,000 invoices monthly from more than 400 vendors across the globe. Each vendor has a different invoice format. Manual invoice processing consumed a significant amount of time in their highly skilled resources. The manual operations were causing several delays in payments and involved a high risk of human errors. The customer wanted to streamline and automate its end-to-end account payable process to improve process completion time, vendor relations, and reduce operational costs. Nividous' Accounts Payable Automation Solution, with natively embedded RPA, AI, and BPM capabilities, was deployed to enable straight-through processing of invoices, allowing seamless management of different types of invoices, hierarchical reviews, and approvals from vendors, and step-by-step process flow visibility within one single platform. An inbuilt vendor portal allows vendors to directly upload invoices, and if received via emails, RPA bots can download and segregate them by type, such as PO, non-PO, freight, K-Packs, etc., and intelligently extract data for further processing. Depending upon the process of two-way or three-way invoice matching against required documents, the RPA bot with cognitive capabilities follows a defined set of business rules and validations to intelligently extract and compare data and post it on the ERP for straight-through processing. The vendor portal also allows users to track automation progress with a visual workflow, review and approve invoices as per defined roles and hierarchy. The bot rejects duplicate invoices and invalid POs, and if any business rule is not met, it notifies the concerned reviewer or approver via an email for managing exceptions. An intuitive maker-checker split-screen view for human eyeballing, and an ability to annotate documents on the fly, allowing real-time learning for the bots. This resulted in a 90% reduction in manual efforts, an 85% improved process turnaround time, and 50% savings in full-time employees.